Hello everyone, welcome back everyone to the Nascar Heat 5, Season 2 for the Truck Series career mode, so we're going off to Iowa. Alright, so this is how the points look. We're the points leader with Brandon Finger, Brent Moffitt, Stuart Friesen, Ross Chastain in 5th, Johnny Sauter, Matt Crafton, Austin Hill, Jordan Anderson, Ben Rhodes is the top 10. Alright, well, let's just look down at everybody else. All the way down to... all the way down to Mike Harmon, still in last place with 100 points. Still. Alright, we're going off to Iowa, 100 laps. Let's do it again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright, here we are. We're here at Iowa. Angela Ruch is fast. A solid weekend. Good run. We're the pole winners. And Jennifer Jo Cobb gave up qualifying new permission for new tires. Anyway, let's get on to it. Alright, here we are. Green flag. We're racing at Iowa. 29 laps in stage 1, 16 laps on fuel. And you know what, guys, I'm glad Angela Ruch is having a good run, good solid thing today. Man, guys, if you guys haven't watched the last one, the last truck race, Angela Ruch was so close to win until it screwed us up right there, and Angela ended up finishing third. I was trying to help her as much as I could to get her to win, but of course it did not work the way we wanted to. We're pulling away a bunch, so anyway, oh boy. So anyway, I hope you guys do hit that subscribe button, and anyway, we'll just continue on trucking is all we can do. Let's just continue on trucking. Trucking. Let's just continue on trucking. Alright, here we are. We're just starting to catch lap traffic.
Careful, still there. Clear high, clear high.
There's Jennifer Jo Cobb. What's up? I know she had a good run last week. And his truck is starting to get a little tail happy. Oh boy, now we got more traffic to deal with. But that's alright. Oh. And we get a caution. Okay, who brought it out? And it looks like Josh Wren brought out the caution. And there's only 23 on the lead lap. Well, we're going to have about 88 laps to go. You know the drill. Come down pit road, put 4 tires in fuel. Good job, pit crew. I did not get a good start. Well, we're good on fuel. Get back around Brent Moffitt. Shut the door. There we go. See you later. So all we can do now is just try to keep pulling away. Yeah, we're good on fuel, so we don't have to worry about that. The deal is just to pull away. That's all we need to do is just pull away. So, I'm just going to keep pulling away here. Anyway, let's keep on trucking. American flag. We got 4 laps to go. Now get back up there and start lapping them.
You got room. You're clear.
Now just get up here and start lapping them. Oh my goodness, Mike Harmon. My goodness.
Clear high.
That's alright.
Clear high, clear high.
That was real good. 3 laps to go. Oh man, yeah, we do got a little bit of damage, but oh my goodness, this thing's starting to get a little loose. This thing. Well, we got 2 laps to go. It ain't gonna matter because, well, we're good on fuel, so it won't matter. So we're good on fuel. We got over a 6.7 second gap lead. Goal here is just try to get up to as many as we can, try to lap as many as we can. Okay, did not want that to come on. Did not want that to come on. Alright, final lap here. Get up here and try to lap as many as we can. Oh my goodness. Come on, can we get to Stone Creek? Okay, we do. Stage winner, boys. Good job, boys. Stage winner. 48. Alright, well, we got 71 laps to go. We completed stage 1. Man, my tires were about ready to go clunk. And guys, there is only 17 cars on the lead lap. Angela Ruch is in 16th. Good run for her. 4 tires and fuel. We'll go with this. Again, good job, pit crew. Green flag. Stage 2. 27 laps in stage 2. 16 laps on fuel. You just need to pull away. Look at that mess of cars going all over the place. And at least we're pulling away from them and we're doing good. Now anyway, only thing we can do is just keep on trucking. Well, here we are. We're here with lap traffic again. Well, lap traffic, we meet again, but that's alright. 18 laps to go in stage 2. Trying to get around this lap traffic. Oh, now we got a caution. Okay. Got 57 laps to go. Who brought it? Okay, no one's taking the blame. Okay, well, we'll just come down pit road, put 4 tires and fuel. Alright, pit crew. Green flag. 13 laps to go. We're good on fuel. Yum. 12 laps to go. Anyway, let's just keep on trucking. Let's keep on trucking, trucking, trucking. Got 11 laps to go. Anyway, let's just keep on trucking. Well, here we are. We just catch lap traffic. We got more lap traffic. Let's just try to get around as many as we can. We got 3 laps to go. Let's just try to lap as many as we can. Oh my goodness. My goodness, I had to hit the brake and everything. My goodness. We're pulling away. Should have 2 laps to go. We got 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go in stage 2. Get up here and just try to lap as many as we can. We ain't gonna get to Austin Hill and them. We tried. That's okay. We'll take another stage win. Stage winner, 48, baby. Well, we got 41 laps to go. Man, look at those tires. Let's check how the Angela Ruch update is. She's 11th. Good run for her. I'm coming down pit road, put 4 tires in fuel. Good job, pit crew. All right, let's keep it up. Green flag. We got 38 laps to go left in this race. Let's just keep pulling away and well, I know we will have to make another pit stop. I know that. 37 laps to go. We will probably have to make 2 more stops. Anyway, let's keep on trucking. Well, here we are. Lap traffic again. Hello, lap traffic. We meet again. We got 4 laps left remaining on fuel. We got 27 laps more left to go left in this race. Well, now we got a caution. Well, we got 27 laps to go. Let's check on the Angela Ruch update. She's 14th. And there's only 18 cars on the lead lap. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm coming down pit road with everybody else. 4 tires and fuel. Alright, pit crew did good again. Green flag. We got 23 laps to go, 16 on fuel. So that means we will make it on 1 more stop. We will have to make 1 more pit stop. Alright, is that going to be the last time we're probably going to get cautions? Probably not. Only thing we can do. Anyway, guys, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep on trucking. Now we're starting to catch lap traffic again, so we got 6 laps remain left on fuel. We got 14 laps to go.
Still there. Car outside. Hold your line. Clear high, bud.
Lap traffic. And we got a caution. Okay. Is there going to be any more? Looks like Ross Chastain brought out the caution. Yeah, Ross Chastain brought it out. Wow. That's a big one. Okay, wow. Alright, so you know the drill, everyone. 4 tires and fuel. Okay, we lost 8 spots. Pit crew, not a good job. We'll get it back up, guys. Don't worry. Oh, boy. I think drivers took 2 tires. Trying to get in. There's Angela Ruch. She's up there. I don't know if I can just push her to the front or not.
Careful, still there.
Ah!
Looking inside.
Oh, no. 10 laps to go. I don't know if I can push Angela or not.
Still there. Hold your line. Stay high.
Angela, are you going to go?
Bottom's clear.
Come on, Angela. Go.
Careful, still there.
I want to at least let her win a race or something. There we go. Well, we're starting to move.
Outside. Clear all around.
All right, we got 8 laps to go. We got to go. There we go. This is working. This is working. This is working. Keep going, Angela.
Stay low.
Come on, Ben Rhodes. Please get... No, that's Johnny Sauter. Come on, Johnny Sauter. Get out of the way. Oh, here we go, Angela. 7 laps to go.
All right, you're clear.
Keep going, Angela. Keep going. Keep going. Go, Angela. Stick with her, Gun. Stick with her. Go, Angela. Go. Take 2. Come on, Angela. Come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. I know I've been dominating this whole entire race. Oh, no.
Careful, still there.
Go, Angela. Go. 3 wide.
Hold your line. That one outside. All right, you're clear. 5 more laps.
Go, Angela.
Still there.
Push her. Come on, Gun. Come on. Get her to lead.
All clear.
There we go. Angela Ruch is in the lead. Yes. 4 more. Keep going, Angela. Keep going. I'm going to try to get her away. All right, Angela. We're making it up this time. Last one, we were close. This one here, we're winning this race. We're doing it together. 3 laps to go. I don't care if I get damage on this car. Come on, Angela. Go. Go, Angela, go. Two laps to go.
Inside.
Oh, not this again. Oh, no. Go, Angela! Come on, John. Come on. Get back to her. Oh! Not again! What the? Oh my no! Oh man! Angela, not again! Man! Well, Tom Kelly won the race. Man, guys, Angela, oh man, had it again. Oh man, that sucks. Well, there's everybody else. Man, unbelievable. Man, we dominated all that and let that man. Oh, man, we were close. Oh, man. Man. Oh, man, guys, we were close. Man, we were close with her. So, guys, so the next time, guys, we do the truck series, we're only going to have 5 races left before the playoffs. So, Angela Ruch is going to need a win, guys. We were so close. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. Hope you all have a good one. We'll see you all in the next video.